You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the display refresh rate on your iPhone. Promotion, which allows a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, is available only on iPhone 13 Pro and later Pro models. To adjust it, open Settings and tap Accessibility, tap Motion, toggle on Limit Frame Rate. This caps the maximum refresh rate to 60 Hz. This is the only built-in control Apple provides. You cannot manually set it to 120 Hz. The iPhone automatically adjusts between 10 Hz and 120 Hz based on content to save battery. To ensure the high refresh rate is active during general use, keep limit frame rate off. For a more consistent high refresh rate in supported apps and games, ensure your iOS is updated and that the specific app supports promotion. There is no setting to lock the refresh rate at 120 Hz. It's dynamically managed by the system. If you don't see the limit frame rate option, your iPhone does not have a promotion display. This feature balances smooth scrolling with battery efficiency. For more simple iPhone display tutorials, subscribe to the channel.